Georgia business owners, and those dreaming of starting a business here. Ever heard of a registered agent and wondered what that means or if you need one? Well, let's break it down simply. But first, give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. A registered agent is that crucial person or service designated by a business to officially receive legal documents, government communications, and compliance documents on its behalf. Think of us as your business's mailbox, but with a lot more perks. You need someone you can trust to handle these sensitive documents and ensure you're kept in the loop. And if you're asking, why do I need a registered agent in Georgia? The answer is pretty straightforward. Georgia, like most states, requires businesses to have a registered agent. It's part of ensuring that there's always a reliable way for the state to communicate with your business. Here's a fun fact. 8 out of 10 businesses in the United States consider a registered agent a vital part of their operations. That's how critical it is. Now, you might wonder, why choose legalregistration.com as your registered agent? Firstly, we take pride in being the #1 registered agent service in the nation. That's no small feat. Our reliability and commitment to excellence have been tried and tested by countless businesses across the country. And another interesting tidbit for you. Over 5 million businesses nationwide entrust their registered agent needs to specialized services like ours. Why? Because it saves them time, ensures they never miss an important document, and gives them peace of mind. That's precisely what our experts aim to provide. So whether you're already running a successful business in Georgia, or taking those exciting first steps into entrepreneurship, we are here, standing by, ready to serve as your registered agent. Make the choice that countless other businesses have made. Let us be your partner in this journey. To sign up for our registered agent service, please visit legalregistration.com, or you can call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, does it make sense to you why registered agents are so important to businesses? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.